I will compare the new BMW iX XDAV60 with Opla Frontera. BMW iX XDAV60 has a 109 kW total battery capacity. Opla Frontera has a 44 kW total battery capacity. BMW iX XDAV60 range of around 701 km. Opla Frontera range of around 300 km. BMW iX XDAV60 model offer a maximum power output of 544 horsepower. Opla Frontera model offer a maximum power output of 113 horsepower. BMW iX XDAV60 acceleration from 0 to 100 km in approx 4.6 seconds. Opla Frontera acceleration from 0 to 100 km in approx 12.1 seconds. BMW iX XDAV60 versus Opla Frontera top speed. BMW iX XDAV60 versus Opla Frontera torque. BMW iX XDAV60 versus Opla Frontera drivetrain. BMW iX XDAV60 versus Opla Frontera motor type. BMW iX XDAV60 versus Opla Frontera wheelbase. BMW iX XDAV60 versus Opla Frontera seats. BMW iX XDAV60 versus Opla Frontera body type.